Yeah, you don't know who I am. Don't know what I've been through. Money ain't shit to me. That should be fooling you. But I like that ice on my wrist. I would still buy some new kicks. Flex on you bitches. If I flow with riches, I help my own family.
Back at Prestige today. Working on the whip. It's right there, dog. Only the best for the best. Ooh, that's fresh. Oh yeah?
He said he taking a video.
So it's all old shit, but it's still usable. It's still like finishing shit off, bro. I'm like, I ain't trying to be a bitch, but fuck. I want to use new sandpaper.
You want to use new
Why the fuck
sandpaper?
does he get to use all new sandpaper?
What's wrong with the old sandpaper?
It sucks.
Why?
Because it sucks.
It's good.
Nah.
U60 is fucking 80.
Yeah, alright. You use old sandpaper on your car and see how good it come out.
It's gonna come out fucking great.
It'll look like that.
Yeah, what the fuck is that?
Sand scratches.
Sand scratches.
They painted over the sand scratches.
It looks like it's like 320, 400, and they just silvered over it.
Yep, you know how they
zoom in
do.
on that with your
Zoom
overheating
in
camera.
on that. Make that video.
Yeah, you gotta zoom in with it manually.
Look at
Why
it
you went to
comes
the
up.
exhaust?
Let me see. What that in?
Yeah, scratch.
And that too.
Scratch.
You wanna see some rust?
That's an Acura. Yeah, it's right there.
Acura. Car had a check engine light. Knew it, checked it. Turns out to be the rear O2 sensor, so I fucking took 2 hours doing that. So that's done. No more check engine lights. We got a little stumble, so we're gonna do the spark plugs today. See how that turns out.
So what are we doing today, Andre?
Oh, we're doing some bullshit today. That's what we're doing.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Spark.
We got a stumble.
A little stumble.
Yeah.
So how you gonna diagnose that? Stumble.
I ain't diagnosing shit. Let's get some spark plugs. That's right. Test the coil packs. Spark plugs. Better fix it.
What about the fuel filter?
Stupid ass motherfuckers. It's non-serviceable.
Ah,
Thanks, Honda.
right.
Fucking told me that shit at O'Reilly's, dog. Non-serviceable. You don't get the fuck out of here. I see it. It's right here. Yeah, it's right here. At Bob's.
Coil number fucking 1.
Cracks?
Nope.
How we looking?
We'll check them after the spark plugs.
We'll check them after.
We're doing it live.
Doing it live. This fucking spark. You guys got a spark plug remover with the boot in it?
Oh, what?
spark plug remover with the boot in it.
Use the coil pack.
Bruh.
You ain't get it?
No.
Use one of the R8 coil packs. It'll pop the bitch right out. Come on, man. It been a minute and 50 seconds. That's how long you been recording this here video? Oh, it fell.
It's like they're all saying things. 0.9 to 1.1.
6. 1.5. What? 0.19. Oh, what? These are over, dog. This is 1.5, 1.5.
Yeah, this guy's saying all his are 1.5.
Oh, so it wraps underneath here
Yeah.
and then goes to the fucking.
Yep. Deep in there. Oh, let's show you this bullshit. Look at this bullshit. Look at. Oh, you making a video? Oh.
He sent me that video. I'm like,
I gotta send this. I sent that shit to him. You making a video?
You hold this dumbass, please. Oh, you want to see it? Yeah, you want to see it.
Going above and beyond.
The fuck are y'all doing?
Hey,
Frank wants to see some
fill
footage.
the bottle. Fill the bottle, man. Rafina, you want to see my oil?
Wanna see my oil? Sound
Yeah.
like fucking Al Pacino.
What that is? Got that metal.
Oh, no, that ain't metal. That is.
Look at him trying to stab it. You see that?
Alright, send it. Look clean, you're good. His turn.
No, I don't want to say nothing to nobody, phone. Hang up.
Make sure. Keep going. I got you.
That looks pretty clean.
No, it's
hella clean.
fucking clean. There's literally nothing in there.
You can't say nothing about this.
He's dirty.
Your turn.
Yeah, tune the motherfucker on driving now. Trying to see what this feel like right here. One said she was gonna fuck for a buck.
Who is it?
Said she was gonna haul for $1.
Stop.
One said she was gonna suck my dick from the back. Ain't never ever had nothing like that happen to me before. I'm trying to see what that feel like.
Hey, give me the napkin. Oh.
Right there.
I fucking hate you. Hey, give me a napkin.
That's aluminum.
Yeah.
If it's metal, it's not sticking. What that is? What that is?
Playlist, nigga.
Who, me?
Yeah, you.
Oh, with the music?
I was trying to fuck your vibe up.
shut up. I changed my keys to myself and they still fucked up. Alright, Mark, let's roll. Gotta unlock the door.